Hello guys, welcome to the Tech That Matter channel. And today we will see the components of simple data communication. So let's start. System. Where there are few terms like sender, receiver, protocol, message and medium. So let's understand each term, but a set of rules that are agreed by both sender and receiver for a proper and successful data communication. Example, FTP File Transmission Protocol, TCP Transmission Control Protocol, etc. Moving on from sender to receiver. Message can be of any type like sound, text, picture, number, video or combination of all these. Moving forward. Sender. A sender is a device like mobile phone, camera, workstation, telephone, etc. that sends message or any type of data to the receiver over a medium. Talking about the medium. A medium is a path over which message originated from sender travels to the receiver. Medium can be wired or wireless. Lastly, the receiver. It's a device which receives the message and reproduces it. It can be mobile phone, computer, workstation, telephone, etc. So now, as we are done with the terms. In a data communication system, these things are compulsory. If the video was useful. If yes, then please subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.